Yes, Vajra. So today we'll start with the prepositions. As you have seen that it is very important the use of correct prepositions. One second, please. Let's talk about prepositions now. Now, the prepositions are the words that we use before a noun or a pronoun. Fine, there are so many words, so many parts of speech in a sentence, and the preposition it just make the connection. It is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship, its connection with the other words of the sentence. For example, I am sitting on a chair. If you see, I is the subject here, pronoun here, then verb, helping verb, and verb, main verb, and then a chair again and a noun there, determiner and article and noun, and on. This on word, it shows the look. I am sitting on a chair. Location. It is telling us that I am sitting on what? I am sitting. What is my connection with the chair? Fine. I am walking to her. So it shows the relation of the noun. It is used before noun or pronoun to show its connection, its relationship with the other words or the sentence. I am walking to her. There are prepositions of location, direction, and time. These are the main kinds. Preposition of location. These are used to indicate the location or the position of the objects. For example, on, in, under, in front of, it tells about the position of the object, the location of the object. Where is that particular thing located? Means on, apple is on the table, apple is under the table. Then in front of, for example, we can say that Ramesh is standing in front of, find the position again. Then against, standing against the wall. Then inside, going inside or in, against. Against means next to or touching up right surface for sport. For example, in the previous picture, you have seen that this boy is standing against the wall. For example, the boy is leaning against the wall. I am leaning against the whiteboard, or so on. Now, between. Between is the position between the two things. Fine. Between the two articles, two things. Then among is used for the more than two. It is used for more than two. Beside is side by side, you can see, and behind is behind one object behind the other. Now, prepositions of direction. They are used to show the direction of movements to and from a fixed point. But they show the movement to the particular direction. Drive to something, going to school, coming from school, he is moving into the hall, then along, then over, crossing over the bridge, going through, then across the road from one point to the other point. They show the movement also. And around. Around is again around something. I am walking to school. Richard came into room. The cat jumped into the, let's have some more examples. The cat jumped into the box. The ball fell into the river. She poured some boiling water into the pot. Means the water is coming from one part of particle to the other one. The man threw rubbish into the river, moving from one direction to the other. She has returned from town. They walked along the row of houses. Along means by the side of, on the road. The boys ran across the road. It also shows the movement. Across means on the opposite side from one to the other. The boys swam across the pond, means from one bank of the pond to the other. City is walking, city is the name here, is walking across the road. Ali walked across the river, means from one point to the other one. They are running around the T means they are moving from one direction to the other one. Around means moving in a circle. The cat ran around the stool or the boys were running around the tree. Tim jumped over the fence means jumping from one portion to the other part of the fence. The boy jumped over the fence. The cat leaps over the drain means from one point to the other. The bird flew in through the window. From through in the bird flew in through the window means from the outside to the inside of the room. Ali kicked the ball through the window means out of the window. Amir threw the rubbish through the window means out of the window. Prepositions of time. They are used to show when things happen. Example, by, for, before, since, at, and during. Now we will just view all these prepositions through the slide. Please wait.